So this would be the program or the task what we are what we'll be doing it. For example, if I'll say something right, milk, and when I click the items, it should be saying this thing something. It should be adding to the list of the items. Okay, so let's do this. This is the basically the structure, but let's start from the start from the template. Okay, so basically this is just the template wherein it says just the hello world. Okay, uh, so what we first want is, let's go step by step, and let's first what we want is we want an input box. Okay, let's define as just text. Okay, we got an input box, and again we want a button, correct, which says add item button. Okay, this we too got. And this button, once we click this, it has to add something, right? Let's say handle add. We'll add that function later, but we are defining some handle add. And also what we want of this is the value. What we want is we want something, the new item what we are being adding. So we want that. Okay, so these two will define this. So now what we are saying is there's something called as new item comma set new item, correct? So this will be empty as of now, and we also have to define the function, correct, handle add. So now we will say that handle add. So what it has to do is once we click the button, it has to add to a list. So let's say there's a list, set list, and then we will say that whatever the previous elements are there, we will also show that. Also we'll also show the new item, correct? We'll be appending the item to the new list. And over here we will say that the new item, let's make this as empty. Once we will be adding that, we have to make that as empty, correct? So that's the one. And we have taken a new variable list. So now let's define that list comma set list. um, as of now it's an empty array, correct? Let's just make an empty array. Okay, so this is good. So now if we type something, if we type, there's nothing coming in because the thing is in the input we didn't do anything. For example, right now we'll say on change. We'll define a function called as the event, and what it should do is the new item, whatever the new item, it should take in that value, correct? The target dot value of this one. So we'll be taking that. So as of now, if it types, it will go into, if we add, nothing is happening because we are not displaying it as of now. So let's also try to display that. How we'll display that is in the, again, the unified list. Okay, so what is the thing? We are defining the list, correct? Let's start map of, let's just say temp and define this one. Let's start map of temp, and there's everything is there. Okay, good. Okay, now we'll define it as list. List key equal to, let's say temp. We'll close this list. Okay, gotcha. It's coming in. Now we'll just say the temp. Okay, now it has gone. Okay, now if we say egg is added. Milk is being added, and then curd is being added. So whatever you will be typing, for example, it will be adding to the each and every list. Okay, thanks.